What the heck? Holy sh!
You excited?
Bro, I'm so stoked right now, honestly. I was so nervous about going with like the matte and all that. I wasn't sure what it was gonna turn out like, but after hearing Anthony talk about it, I'm just like, oh shit. Nope. He says it looks too good to ruin the surprise, so. Holy shit. Keep going straight, it's right there. Holy crap, are you kidding me? That looks so clean. Oh my God. Oh. Are you kidding me? What the heck? Holy sh! Dude, this is a completely different car. Are you kidding me? Oh. Are you kidding? Dude, this looks so sick.
I told you, you love it.
Thank you so much.
Oh,
man.
you got it. You got it.
That metallic goes right through it too, like you can see it clean. Dang. All right, guys, the new whip's done. Nomad Autoworks hooked it up with Xpel. Got the matte look going throughout with the metallic. This is so sick. Damn, that looks good. It's a brand new car, literally.
It is.
I mean, it is technically a new car, but like this is a whole new look. And nobody's gonna have this. No one. Damn.
Love it?
I love it, man. This is so sick. It turned out so good. You guys absolutely crushed it.
Yeah.
This is nuts. There's nobody that's gonna have this. You guys crushed it, man. Thank you so much. I love the gloss on the top too. That was the right choice. You need to break it up a little bit.